Welcome back to how to use Zotero 7. In this quick video, we'll show you how to collect your research sources from UTSA Library databases and save them into Zotero 7. Make sure Zotero 7 is open. Before you start collecting sources, make sure that Zotero is open somewhere in the background of your computer. This is what allows the browser connector to save items directly into your library. Create a project folder in Zotero. Next, let's set up a new folder in Zotero to store the resources for your project. On the left sidebar above My Library, click the New Collection icon. Now name your new folder for the project that you are working on. This is where we'll save all the resources we collect today. Run a search using one of the UTSA databases. Next, we will go to the UTSA Library's website and click Databases. Here, you can search and select the database you want to use. How to save an article's full record to Zotero 7. From your results page, you can click the title of an article to open the full record. This is the page Zotero reads to gather the metadata. From here, you can click the Zotero connector button and choose the folder that you want to save the resource info to. Now, when you go back to your Zotero screen and open your project folder, you can see that the resource info has all been saved. How to save and attach the full PDF article to Zotero 7. There are 3 methods to save an attached article in Zotero 7. First is when the PDF is attached automatically. Some resources include a PDF that attaches to the record in Zotero directly from the database interface. For instance, in this example, when you click the Zotero browser connector, you can see the PDF icon. That means Zotero will automatically save the article info and the PDF into your collection. Next is when the PDF is available through a link. If the PDF is not attached directly from the database, just click the Get Full Text link, and you will be directed to the full text, and from here you can click the Zotero connector button, and the PDF icon is now present, and both the resource info as well as the attached PDF will be saved to your Zotero folder. Finally, you can add a PDF manually. If for some reason the database does not provide the PDF, you can still add the full text manually. Just download the PDF to your computer, then in Zotero, right-click the resource title, choose Add Attachment and File, and then select the PDF from your computer, and Zotero will attach the PDF to the correct citation. How to batch collect multiple resources at once. Finally, instead of saving just one article at a time, Zotero can collect several resources with the Batch Collect feature. From the database results page, look at the top right of the browser. You'll see a folder icon in the Zotero connector. Click the folder, and a list of all the search results appears. Simply check the resources that you want included in Zotero 7. Then click OK. And all of the selected articles will be added to your folder in Zotero. And that's all it takes to collect and organize sources from the UTSA databases using Zotero 7. In our next video, we'll go over how to save sources in Google Scholar using Zotero 7.